Hi guys, we're gonna do a new verse today with a family member. It's the first time we're recording with him. So the verse is called Luke 18 verse 27, or we should say Luke chapter 18 verse 27. But he said, "The things which are impossible with men are possible with God." So what that means is, it's in the verse actually. So you can't do everything with men, but you can do everything with God. So what that means to show us is believe in the Lord and believe in the Lord, yeah. Believe in the Lord and you can do everything. But if you believe in men, you can't do anything. Is that right, Luki? Is that right? Yeah. So bye guys, that's all for today.